In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design ebook covers in GIMP, specifically tailored for beginners. Designing a compelling ebook cover is essential since it often forms the first impression of your book. So let's dive into the process using GIMP, a free and powerful graphic design tool. To start, we need to create a new canvas. Open GIMP and go to the File menu where you'll find the option to create a new canvas. For a standard ebook cover, you can use dimensions of about 1600 by 2560 pixels. This size is generally recommended because it balances detail with file size, ensuring that your cover looks great on both small and large screens. Now that we have the canvas set up, it's time to add a background. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, or use an image from your library. If you decide to use an image, make sure it's high quality and free to use, so you avoid any copyright issues. To add a background in GIMP, look for the toolbox on the left, select your preferred color or open an image file, and then apply it to your canvas. A striking background can significantly enhance the appeal of your cover, so take a moment to choose something that fits the theme of your book. Next, it's time to add the text. The title of your book and the author's name are crucial elements of the cover. Choose a font that reflects the genre and tone of your book. For example, a cursive font may work well for romance novels, while something bold might suit a thriller. In GIMP, you can use the text tool from the toolbox to add and customize your text. Play around with the size, color, and style until it feels just right. Remember to ensure that the text is easily readable against the background. This might mean adding a subtle shadow or outline to make it stand out more. With all these elements in place, the final step is to export the file. Navigate to the File menu and choose Export As to save your work in either JPG or PNG format. Both are great for online uploads, but PNG is typically preferred if you want to maintain higher image quality with transparency. Make sure to keep a copy of the original GIMP file in case you need to make future edits. And there you have it. You've successfully designed an ebook cover using GIMP. Remember, practice makes perfect, and don't hesitate to experiment with different designs to find what best represents your book. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.